Hi, this is my first YouTube channel and I will show you how to put makeup foundation. First, clean your face with face wipes. Use primer on face and enhance it. Then use concealer on the dark and acne area of your face. Okay guys, let's forward to the next step. Use foundation on highlights area and blend it. Blend it with the use of big hair brush. Then with the use of red or pink color blush on, make your cheeks blush. If you didn't have creamy blush on, you can use your red lipstick, the easy way of saving money. Now it's turn to compacts. Start putting light compact at eyes dark circles. So now the base is complete. Let's forward to eyes makeup now. Start doing your eyes makeup from kajal area and take a kajal. Take a black color kajal and then take white color kajal and merge it. Then you can do the bridal makeup in customized way by yourself. Tell us about in the comments how the bride look. Follow for more videos like this and do subscribe. Also press the bell icon so you never miss an update.